truly about reinvigorating teachers, right? To go back to that passion of why they became educators, right? Not just to administer standardized tests, but then how can we tap into that passion with educators?
This workshop allowed us to, it had a differentiated approach. So the first session allowed us to just learn about how to set up a good assessment, how to make sure that it's aligned to standards. And then the next 3 topics, we were able to learn about a few different frameworks for assessment around performance tasks, project-based learning, as well as writing. And then our last session will be moving into how to analyze your data and then how to look at the results to drive that instruction. So a very differentiated approach and workshop that really met our needs with the things that we're doing in our district.
In my experience in math and being as an instructional coach, one of the areas that classroom teachers really struggle with is to get students thinking visible. And right now, when we're looking at writing across the content areas and how to assess that, we really need to be able to dig deep into the student thinking process when we're looking to see what they're able to know and be able to do. So being part of this, I've been able to really get a grasp on how we can use small samples of writing and getting kids to just write and get their thinking process out there, especially when it comes to math, because we need to go beyond just what are facts, what is the answer, but we really need to dig deeper into their thinking, and we're able to do that in this assessment piece with the writing.
While it is all focused on assessment, I've been targeting different groups of people to work on things that are relevant to what they're teaching. So for example, the project-based learning, I brought my specials teachers and they are incorporating that. I think the thing that I am the most happy about is whatever group that I've brought here, they have taken things back and started implementing things immediately and sharing with their colleagues.
This series has been really powerful in having conversations with districts and staff on how can we leverage other forms of assessment practices that are more authentic and more real world for our students. So whether that's project-based learning, performance tasks, or even writing across different content areas, is how can we engage students in some of these authentic assessment practices that are meaningful, that are engaging for our students more than that multiple choice true false kind of assessment practices.